Hi there everyone, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a simple backyard makeover that I want to share with you. This backyard had been neglected for quite some time. I am so ashamed of this backyard. I don't know why I'm even showing you the before, but look at this. This is a mess. I have some dead plants here, and I also have some kind of backyard necessities there, meaning our spray for the weeds and also spray for the ants. And my husband bought me these 3 bushes of flowers because I've been whining about not having any plants or flowers here, and it's just embarrassing, to be honest. I just want to show you a little bit of what we have here in the backyard. I'm gonna do some simple DIYs or updates, and I will be adding some lights there and then maybe a light there. Yeah, one would be a Dollar Tree DIY light that I will hang on the shepherd hook. Now we need to clean up this area, pick up some weeds that are growing. We replaced our grass with some pebbles because my daughter and I, and even Cloud, our dog, is allergic to grass. As you can see, there are some weeds there, and I'm feeling a little better here when I was shooting this because I have seasonal allergies, but today I feel much better. Okay, so let me just show you first what I'm gonna do as far as lighting is concerned. The ones that I am going to be attaching onto the fence. So these are the solar lights that I have received from SUAOKI, and that's their website, www.suaoki.com. These are the Super Split 28 solar motion sensor light, and it comes 4 in the pack, and I will be putting a link in the description box below where you can get this. I think they have a coupon also that they're going to be sending me, a discount coupon, and I'm going to be putting the information there too. So I want to hang this onto our fence on that side there, the long back of the fence, so that we will have some sort of light there, because our patio light doesn't reach out there. Sometimes it's really dark, and as added security also we would need this. So these are some of the parts that it came with, and it has some screws as well. So aside from this wiring, some screws, and this is the product manual. And the company contacted me to choose any of their products. I chose the solar lights because of their practicality when we need light at the back, because it gets really dark, it's pitch black out there, and we need it not only to light our way but also for added security. So I chose this one for practicality and security. Plus I like that it enhances the look of our backyard. And I'm gonna let my daughter's boyfriend, or her fiance, to do this. And here he is, and this is very easy. He already hung 3 and this is the 4th piece. So he did this less than probably 15 minutes, all 4 of them. He screwed them all. And he just asked me where I wanted them. I told him I want them on the post, the divider, so it's exactly 4 of them separated evenly. And yeah, so it was very quick. So here he is testing it out. I told him we'll set it up that when the sun is down and it's dark, it will light up all night long because of security reasons, and then when the sun is up, it'll be off. So here it is at night. It's so bright. I was so pleased with the result. Yep, that really added. Normally it's just pitch black here. We had to have a flashlight whenever we have to take Cloud to do his thing in the evening. But yeah, I'm so happy with this outcome. Now Again, I will be linking down below the product link, the direct product link, and then the discount coupon that you can use. Next, here's a quick DIY for you for an outdoor lantern. As you know, I have created a couple of DIYs already for lanterns that you can use outdoors and indoors, and this one is also something you can use outdoors and indoors, but I will only use the garbage or the wastebasket and not the planter or the hanging planter anymore. What I'll do is I will be hanging this lantern, style lamp that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So this is a $2 project because I have a shepherd hook, and it's tall, and it's a huge shepherd hook. If I put just that lighted or LED light, this hanging lamp, it'll be dwarfed by it and it will look kind of awkward. So to give it size and so that it will be more complementing the size of the shepherd hook, I am inserting it underneath like this one and then connecting it with a black zip tie so that it coordinates well. And since the wastebasket didn't come with its own chain and I don't have an extra to use, I can use also a zip tie to hook it up onto the shepherd hook, and I'll show it to you how I do that. So I am just eyeballing the center so that I can use one zip tie to connect the hanging lantern, and then I am going to be using another zip tie, connect it to the end of this zip tie, and then that will be my hook that will hang onto the shepherd hook. Here it is. I hung it onto the shepherd hook. Let me just show you how tall the shepherd hook is. And then that's the reason why I use the wastebasket to give it a size proportionate. Next, I'm going to tackle this set, our patio dinette set. And I think we had this for 15 years now. We purchased this in our other or former home, and we had this for our 10th anniversary, and we're celebrating our 25th anniversary actually this month, and that's the reason why I'm trying to spruce up the backyard, just to have a small celebration in our home with our family. So I am just going to make over this a little bit. I like the gray color. I was debating whether I should spray paint the frames here, but I decided not to. I want the rustic look. And here it is now. I added a tablecloth that I purchased at Home Goods for $12, and that's in the color that I like. And that centerpiece there actually is a project, and I will be linking it up here if you want to watch that video, but I only added some throw pillows, and these are the plants. I just placed them in the planters, and I like the color of the planters. I didn't want to spray paint them as well because that's the color I like. That's the reason why I bought those planters. These are plastic planters, but they look like they're galvanized or concrete or cement style. But yeah, let me just show you here again. My husband cleaned up this set and it looks amazing. I like that it is weathered look. It's not shiny. And this is the centerpiece again that I created. This candle inside is this Dollar Tree LED candle, and at the bottom you can reach the switch so that you can turn it on and off. So I want to show you again this project, the DIY that only is a 2-minute DIY, to be honest. So simple. I like it there. And this is our barbecue, just a simple one. I just sprayed it with water because I noticed there is some dust. My husband is still gonna scrub it, but yeah, I just decided to spray it a little bit so that it'll be a little cleaner, kind of prep it for him. And those are the 3 plants with some dead leaves and weeds, so I just removed the weeds and the twigs, the dried twigs, and throw them away. So they're there because that's close to where the hummingbird feeder is, so they like those flowers there. So that's the hummingbird feeder, so it's just close to them. Just a simple backyard makeover. We really enjoyed this project. It's just simple. I'm still gonna be adding up some more. Originally, those mulch area there on the side, we were gonna be planting some drought tolerant plants because, you know, it gets pretty hot here in the summer, but because of my severe allergies, I can only have plants that are hypoallergenic or don't have a lot of pollens, but I don't want to plant fake ones also. And the petunias don't have a lot of pollen, so I'm okay with them. So I'm just going to choose some more drought tolerant that don't have a lot of pollens in them. So that's it for this video, everyone. I will keep you posted on any of the updates here, but this is just a simple minimalist backyard makeover. I hope you enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a new upload. And also leave some comments down below. Like and share. Hope everyone is having a great day. Talk to you again in my next video. God bless everyone. Happy summer. Bye-bye.